So it's Hara's favorite time of the week. It's Girl Talk. And today we're going to be talking about loyalty versus common sense. When it comes to love, some people do interesting things, including ignoring their gut feeling. So we're going to go through a few common relationship situations to see which one should reign supreme, loyalty or common sense.
What do you call loyalty?
Well, why not? Sometimes loyalty or common sense, though.
They're not mutually exclusive.
Yeah.
Blind loyalty will make you walk into the water and drown it.
Like Pharaoh's army.
But loyalty can be common sense for true. It can be a common sense decision, and it equates to the right thing.
All right, so she says, what situations in loyalty keep you in that common sense would have taken you from as it relates to dating? The dating. What would loyalty have? You don't really know. Dating? Like what?
Like in a situation.
Like him eat nasty. I'm still sit down there with him. Even though me shame.
Is that something that you went through?
No.
I'm just checking.
I'm not gonna sit down there with him. Or me just say, the eating though, that's me. Yes, the eating the door, it can't, no.
You know, say the first time you talk about that nasty eating.
Eating, but I said no, I could take it to go. I could take it to go. No, because if you eat comfortable a certain way, I'm not going to restrict you from eating comfortable, but I'm just not going to be bottom and barely circle straight.
I think everybody can think of some kind of situation that you would have been in that there were instances where your gut would have told you, this is not how this is supposed to work. And you stay until common sense eventually.
But is that loyalty?
Tells you that, yeah, you remain loyal to somebody despite the fact that you know they ain't loyal to you. Of course. Of course. I mean, have you ever looked at a friend of yours and wanted to shake them and say, it's the third time that he's stepped out on you. It's the fourth time. But I love him. Or the women who say, he beat me because he loved me. That's why he showed me that he loved me.
I don't think women really say those things anymore. Him beat me because he loved me in 2018.
Huh?
No, so that now we're again.
Women
really say that again.
One girl talk, I could bring in a counselor.
No, so women, come on, 2018, that now we're again. Right. It should have never we're in the first place.
That is loyalty over loyalty to self.
Well, loyalty might also be if somebody, like covering for somebody.
Yeah.
Covering for somebody. I've had a colleague that I've had to cover for. Like I gave them money to pay for something, and they did not pay it, and then the person who was supposed to get the money called me and bad me up for the money. And I didn't say, no, I did give Sheffield forgive you.
Did you get the money back?
I just said, you know what, just give me a couple seconds, there might be a misunderstanding. And then I called Sheffield and I said, Sheffield, why you make the man call my phone for money and you never give the man the money? And he said, all right, I'm going to sort it out. So that I did. What?
So what, thank you, Benji.
So what that I did do.
What happens to your friendship after that?
No, well, I'm not giving them more money for paying nobody on my behalf. Meaning once
because that person has abused your loyalty.
Yeah. So I'm not giving them more money for paying on my behalf. But at the time, I didn't throw them under the bus.
Okay.
So that
he's a good friend. I mean, I have to say, him. I give Sheffield the money for get like 2 weeks now, though. Can I call Chef, please? Yeah. No, I'm not doing it for you. Love you, Chef.
I have been to places, like I've been out with people and I'm over it. But if I'm driving and they're enjoying themselves, I will wait until they're ready.
To do what?
Meaning, so if we're out and I may not be enjoying myself and I'm the driver, but the rest of you are, I'm not going to be the one to say,
You're not
me
gonna be the
drive,
party
and I want to
pooper.
go home, so
Yeah.
let's go.
Well,
So
that would be very sucky if you were that person.
me make people enjoy themselves,
Sure.
and me go lean up in our car and I go sit down in my car till everybody's ready, and I'm good with that. So
What
that I will
about
do.
loyalty as it relates to family relations? That's a tough
Yeah,
one.
man, my family.
Because when it comes to family, you know the blood thing.
My family have my man, them have me.
Supposed to be thicker than water. Not always the case, because sometimes your family member them don't. Look here,
But me
they have no loyalty with you, but for true. But when you have family members that have your back, it's difficult to not, you know, be loyal in return.
Them ride or die, so that I can be grateful for. My sister, big up Patricia. But that's like I see this man on the Ryanair flight cussing this woman, and I said, what?
With our daughter right there, it would have been a different news story if it were me.
Well,
me know if it was you, what would have happened.
the plane would have empty.
Loyalty as it relates to work.
Particular brand.
Wait, open to work life and career.
Work life and career, loyalty, yes. Like deadlines, and I'm waiting on someone, and I know it says them when I meet the deadline, but I don't go complain and say, oh, it's them, because I don't meet the deadline. However, if it happens every time, I'm going to tell you, say the next time though, I'm going to tell them, say, you make when I meet the deadline.
You know, work with them again. That's how you reach? Can't compromise me them ways there.
Yeah.
1 and 2 and 3 times? No. When I read this though, I think about being so loyal to something that you act in spite of yourself.
Yeah.
I think that's a problem I've had over the years with work. Obligation and duty, and you know, sometimes you feel your body saying, can you be loyal to me for a change? But you just keep going because that's what you do. You know, so.
And you put on your time because work time and work have to be done. Yeah.
Yeah, that's something that you might want to look at. And as it relates to a particular brand, what you talking about, Willie?
Good morning, some of you cable people. Where every time you turn it on, you see something say this channel is no longer available. That's a loyalty, me I tell you. Because the bill not change amount of time.
What is your options? Go to the
Fire
other
stick,
person where...
Android box.
Oh.
But I mean, and the bill not change.
I know.
And the phone too. Yeah, them same one. No, me not
say. Chef. She's loyal to her work.
But yeah. So I have some brands that I'm loyal to, you know, and them know, because when them not do right, I call them and I say, I show me loyal to you know, and not right, and I need to get it right. But
who are some of the brands that you're loyal to?
Them know, man, I call them and tell them.
Tell me, who are some of the food brands that you're loyal to?
Food brands?
Yeah.
Sonia's Homestyle Restaurant.
Very good.
Yeah.
At
South Avenue.
Clothing brands, Heather Lane for sure.
Heather Lane.
As I am to Fashion Week.
Heather Lane for sure.
And what again? Shoes is?
No, me put on anything. Me go PLS, me go all about. Me see our shoes. Want to who?
No free advertisement to Jody.
Yeah, other than that.
Well, then I won't bother telling her who my food loyalty brand is. Even though I think everybody...
She don't need it, just as long as she gets a meal deal. As long as she gets a meal deal, she good.
I'm very easy to please.
Oh my God.
I'm very, very easy. I'm a cheap date, I tell you guys all the time. Nobody needs to worry.
Here, chef? Sheffield face.
No, me not. Sheffield, no.
Extra. No, hold on.
Feel like me not also me can't come out? No.
Cheap different from mean. Two different something.
Negative, chef.
Cheap. Mean it's not going to be as expensive, but it's still going to try to meet expectations.
The chef who lock people in the house and can't come.
Mean you not try to meet no expectation whatsoever. So are two different, right? Miserable?
I gotta love some Harrow. Loyalty for.
You love Harrow?
Yes, I do. unfortunately.
Well, if there's ever blind loyalty, see, they just let go itself in front of you a while ago.
You have to love Harold.
You have to.
You don't have to like him all the time, but you must love him.
You have to.
Yes. I come too far if you don't.
There's ever blind loyalty. See, the ladies and gentlemen,
It's true.
it just roll
But
out
blind loyalty
itself
for
a
all
while
of
ago.
them, and them just don't know. You can't tell them. So you shouldn't ask me a while ago, because now Harold know. I'm going to try to use it to his
When, sir?
advantage.
Him didn't know a long time, as I'm saying.
Did he? All right. Well, Booker just breezed in here, so we're going to take a... Did you see the kind of swoosh queenship?
I'm sure the
came
viewers
in.
heard it.
Come here, Booker. Come. Lord,
They
you
heard
look
the
fabulous.
swoosh when she was coming in. So she's going to be talking about paint when we return.
Magdalena Guanza. Oh, I love the outfit. Fabulous. All right, we soon come. Watch ya. Atso.
I'll know it has swoosh.